Good morning, welcome back to another video with a guy and his projects. Today we're working on the 2004 Nissan Titan LE 4x4. Previously, thousands of dollars spent on in repairs to get it to where it's at now, which is a good spot. She runs good, she's been running good. We had a rough start when we bought her. No fault of the previous owner. I know he watches the channel. I believe her name's Travis. Travis, I have no regrets buying this truck. No, none at all. Love the truck. But yeah, she unlucky start. But we've moved on. This truck this is my daily commuter. This is what I drive to work every day. She's great. No problems anymore whatsoever. Except we had the heater, the defrost vents on this truck went out. So the actuators for the vents failed last winter, and I couldn't get heat in the cab. And it was, you know, negative degree temperatures, and we needed heat. So I paid a company out here well, fix it, because I didn't want to pull the dash apart. They had to pull the entire dash out. We replaced all actuators. I think there's like 5 of them. So hopefully this winter there's not going to be any problem. This is the first cold morning we've had. It's like 42 degrees outside. And so yeah, put on a hoodie, because in the garage, 42 out there is one thing, 42 in the garage with no air moving, it feels chilly, okay? It's chilly, let me have it chilly. Anyway, when the dash went back together, ever since the dash went back together, these little tweeters up here on the dash, that one on the driver's side crackles when I'm on a dirt road. And I drive on a lot of dirt road. I do quite a bit of dirt road driving, and on the crackle on the bumps, it'll go, you know, kind of like a bad rap song, and I don't like that. So we're gonna replace those tweeters today. Something I just noticed. I wonder when that happened. Boop, that's broken. That's a bummer. Anywho, haven't noticed till right now, so it's not life-altering. It can stay there. Ah! I just hit you guys. Okay, so what we have, boom, is Pioneer tweeters that will hopefully work if they fit. I don't really know. So typically I order my parts. So by the way, these are linked in Amazon down below. I make a commission when you click on that stuff. So, you know, and if you buy something after clicking on it within a certain amount of time frame and don't click on somebody else's link after me, who cares? All right, so what was I saying? Oh yeah, so typically I like to buy the stuff from Crutchfield. Crutchfield has an amazing website with an amazing fitment guide, but I could not figure out which tweeters I needed on Crutchfield, so I kind of took a guess on Amazon based off of some reviews, and this is what I got. Somebody mentioned it fit their Armada, so I'm assuming it's going to fit the Titan. So let's see. There they are, little tiny baby tweeters. All right, we don't need to unwrap that one-handed. All right, so I have no idea what I'm doing. I've never replaced the tweeters on this truck. I'm assuming it's as easy as pop a cover, unscrew some screws, and put it back together. But I don't know that. You're gonna find out with me as we go right now. So, first thing we need is a little popper thing. No, I got plastic ones. Where's the, oh, here's the plastic ones. We're gonna do this one. This one's the lucky one. All right. So, we're gonna take this. Oh yeah, that pops right off, just like so. Doing this from outside the cab. Oh, there it goes. So I can't really see. I'm looking through the camera to see. There's the tweeter. It looks like we got 4 little push pins, which might just come up with my hand actually. Oh yeah, look at that. It comes right up. And then, oh yeah, we're gonna lose those. Let's not do that. Oh, we're gonna lose one. Okay, so it looks like it's just a little tiny connector right here. Wonder if I hook you guys up the steering wheel if you can see. No idea if you guys can see, because I can't even see. But I'm just gonna unplug that. Wow, that was easy. That was easy. And that's all that speaker is. Let's go see if these new ones will match up-ish, sort of. Let's hope so. Boom, got you guys on the toolbox. Let's open these bad boys up. All right. So we have the speaker. It's got the little slots on there. Well, by golly, it's going to be a splice and fit. So these are different size, so you can't really mess them up. The problem is you're gonna have to read the instructions to figure out how these go in, because I don't know. But beyond that, this is gonna fit differently. But I think, so instead of having 4 latches, it's only gonna have 2. We're gonna have to figure that out. Let's see. So we drop this into place here. Can we go crooked wise? Could we go crooked? Okay, we can go crooked, and maybe we'll just have to take some self-tappers and tap this in. I don't know. But we can put it in. It does fit down in there. Uh-oh, I just lost the wire. There it is. We are gonna have to figure out which color goes to what, though. That's gonna be a little bit of a bummer. Oh, there's not much to work with, but there is enough. So let's go figure this out. All right, so although you can't mess up this end, we do have to figure out which wire goes to which on the Titan side. So let me, unfortunately, let me read the instructions, even though these don't look like instructions. This is a warranty. Warranty pretty much is going to say if you hook it up wrong, it's not their fault, but they don't tell you which side to hook it up to. So we're going to have to take some guesses and hope for the best, guys. Oh boy. So let's go ahead and just jump into it. So we're going to go ahead and separate these like so. I'm going to grab my handy dandy wire cutters. I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that. Okay, so I've got some of these. They're for the stereo speakers, but essentially you strip the other side and then they screw together. They work out pretty dang good, actually. I haven't had a problem yet, and it makes it easy to remove these without having to cut more wire later if you so desire. So we're going to grab all this stuff, grab a drink, not sponsored, and go plug it in. Plug it in, plug it in. Again, hoping you guys can see, but I don't know what I'm doing anyway. We're gonna go ahead and cut this fitting off of here. Ugh. I can't fit my arms anywhere where you guys can see. So we're gonna cut this off flush. Boop. And then I'm gonna strip these back as well. There's one. Man, I need to dust my dash. Getting dirty. Whoa. Don't break my windshield, eh? Why you no come off? There it goes. Alright, so you're gonna take your little connector. Stick your things up straight here. Get them as straight as you can. Slide this fitting through there, and I know you guys can't see, I'm really sorry, but I'm working with limited space here. And then you can go ahead and screw your cap on. Then just do the little pull test when you're done. Make sure they're both in there. See, and that's why you do your pull test. Give this one a couple more twists this time. There, I feel better about that one already. No! Oh, hey. It fell all the way through. We got lucky there. Now the pull test holds true. So that's what it looks like. I'm gonna do it on the other one as well. Push that down, put our cap on, and twist her together. All right. Do your pull test again. All is well. So now we can go ahead and button her up. I'm gonna go ahead and just drop her in place. Keep in mind, guys, I am not an expert. So I want to self-tap this down, so I'm just going to run my finger down here, make sure there's nothing in the way, which there doesn't seem to be. And then you can kind of just pick which direction you want the wires to go. I'm thinking maybe that way. And then I'm probably going to take a screw and, well, these holes don't really line up that way, and I want them to line up. So maybe we'll go like that. There we go. That gives us a little more playing room. And I'll just screw that down here momentarily. I'll show you that. But before I screw it down, I'm gonna go do that side as well. I'll be right back. All right, guys, that's all there is to it. Replacing the tweeters on this 2004 Nissan Titan. I'm going to assume the process is the same on the Armadas and all the Titans up to whatever the heck year they change, which is a long ways away from 2004. This is the first. This is the old baby. Yeah, she's running good. When I say running good, she's sounding good. We just cranked her all the way up. I can't play it on YouTube because, you know, everybody's so copyright happy. By the way, if you spend time watching my older videos and there's really awkward places where it sounds like there should be music but there's not, it's because somebody sent me a copyright notice on a song that I probably paid for, but it's not really worth fighting. I just don't do music in the videos no more because it's just not worth it. So that's why there's some awkward places with no music. There was, and now there ain't. Anywho, I will link these speakers down below in the video description, as well as a PayPal link and Zelle link if you would like to donate directly to the channel to fund more projects going in. Also, I don't know that I've mentioned it on a video yet. My baby is due about any day now. By the time this posts, we might even have a baby now. Looking at picking up a second job to help float the money bank, and well, I'll probably be going to every other week posting, and maybe even more infrequently going forward. You know, sometimes you just need to spend the money on bills instead of cars. Anywho, I look forward to posting the next video. I look forward to continuing on the YouTube journey, even if at a slightly less frequent basis. Thank you guys for watching. Keep watching, stay subscribed, keep thumbs up, and keep commenting. Let me know what you're up to. I'm going to be thumping around in this truck, and we'll see you later. Adios.